The fourth method to calculate correlation is Spearman's rank correlation. As the name suggests, it was given by Charles Edward Spearman in 1904, and this method works on the ranking of different items in a variable. So here you will see that we will be calculating the ranks and then we will calculate the correlation. So here in Spearman rank correlation we have two formulas. First is when ranks are not repeated. When ranks are not repeated, we will apply different formula. And second is when ranks are repeated. So when in the question the ranks will be repeated, we will apply a different formula. So it depends upon whether the ranks are repeated or not. We will have to check that first. So when ranks are not repeated, in that case the rank correlation, here we will just denote it as RK. The rank correlation will be calculated as 1 minus 6 sigma d square divided by n into n square minus 1. This formula we will use. And when ranks are repeated, we will apply a different formula to calculate the rank correlation, that is 6 in the bracket sigma d square plus 1 upon 12 m cube minus m plus 1 upon 12 same m cube minus m, and it may continue how much you have required, whole divided by n into n square minus 1. Now here one thing is important, that here in the denominator we can use the term n cube minus n also. So sometimes you will see that the term n cube minus n has been used. So when we open the bracket, it ultimately leads to the same solution. So let us now first see when ranks are not repeated, how the question appears to be. Now this is one question of Spearman correlation. Let us see. First of all, whatever figures have been given, you have to give them ranks. So here we will give the ranks to X series. So that we will denote as Rx. It means rank of X series. So how the ranks will be given? You can give the smallest element to be rank 1. As I can see, the smallest out of these is 420. So I am giving here rank 1. Next is 424. So I am giving here rank number 2. 428 next. So I am giving here rank number 3. So like this we can give the ranks. So as I can see in the series, 415 is also there. So this will be the rank 1. 420 will be rank 2. Then 424 will be rank 3. 428 will be rank 4. 430 will be rank 5. And 434 will be rank 6. So we can see here that no number is repeated. That is why we will apply the formula of when the ranks are not repeated. If any number is repeated, then we go for the second method. Now another important point here is, as I have given 1 to the smallest number, you can do vice versa also. It means that maximum number can be given 1. So you can arrange this ranks according to ascending or descending order. Both are correct and you will be getting the same answer. Coming to rank of Y series. So here also I am going to start from the smallest number. So I can see the smallest number is 325. So I am giving here 1. Then is 327, 2. 328 will be 3. 330 will be 4. 331 will be 5 and 332 will be 6. So here also no number was repeated. That is why it's a case of when ranks are not repeated. So we have assigned them ranks. Now you will observe in certain questions that already this ranks will be given. So you can start from the next step. If ranks are not given, first give them ranks. If ranks are given, you can start with the next step. Next is calculation of D. D stands for difference. That is the difference of rank of X and rank of Y. It is nothing but the difference between these two. So it will be minus 3, 0, 2 minus 3, minus 1, 0, positive 1 and 3. Next will be D square. Now you have to square it. So 3 3s are 9, 0, 1, 0, 1, 9. So here we will calculate sigma D square, which comes out to be 20. So after calculating this sigma d square, we will apply the formula. Now which formula to apply? As we have seen, no number was repeated. So the first method, that is when ranks are not repeated, formula will be applied. So the formula for calculating the rank was 1 minus 6 sigma d square divided by n cube minus n. 1 minus 6 sigma d square is 20, so replace it with 20. N is, these are individual series, so n is the number of observations. So here you can see the 6 observations or 6 total ranks were there. So 6 cube minus 6. So you can solve this now. 1 minus 120 divided by, when you will solve this, you will be getting 210. So finally solving it, you will be getting 3 by 7, that is 0.429. This is our rank correlations answer. So if the ranks are repeated, then we will move on to the another formula. Now this is another question. Here we will see how the ranks are repeated. Same method I am going to apply rank for the X series. So I can see that minimum is 22, so I am giving it 1. Next is 25, so I am giving it 2. Next is 30. Now you see 30 is being repeated. So now it means we have come to the second part of the formula. Now here we can give rank number 3 and rank number 4. But as the number is same, so we will give the average. Rank number 3 and rank number 4's average. So 3 plus 4, because 1 and 2 rank is already assigned, we have to give rank number 3 either to this or to this. Rank number 4 either to this or to this. But we cannot give different ranks. Number is same. So we will take the average of those ranks. Those are going to repeat. So it will be 3.5. So instead of 3 and 4, we will write here 3.5. So our 3 and 4 is gone. Now we will move ahead with the 5th rank. Now where the 5th rank will be given after 30, we can see 38 is the next number. So here we will give rank number 5. Next is 50. So this is rank number 6. Next is 70. So rank number 7. After that it is 90. So it is rank number 8. So all the ranks have been assigned. Same we will do with the other series, that is rank of Y series. So here also we will start with the minimum element. The minimum element is going to be in this series 20. So we will give it this to be 1. Next, after 20 we have 30. This is also ones, so we will give it rank number 2. After 30 we have 40. Now you can see 40, 40, 40. It is repeating 3 times. And our next rank is 3, 4, 5. So we will take average of these 3 ranks. And the average of these 3 ranks will be 4 only. So what we will do is we will give rank number 4 to all these 40. So our 3, 4, 5 has gone. Next will be our rank number 6. After 40 it is 50. So this will be rank number 6. To 60 rank number 7. To 70 it will be rank number 8. So now all the ranks have been allotted. Now we will move with the same procedure. D will stand for the difference between these two. So minus 4, minus 0.5, minus 2, minus 3, 4, 6, minus 0.5 and 0. Then we will take D square, 16.25, 4, 9, 16, 36, 0.25 and 0. And finally we will add it, sigma D square. Adding you will be getting 81.5. Now we will apply the second formula. Why second formula we are applying? Because the ranks were repeated. So the second formula was rank is equals to 1 minus 6 bracket sigma D square plus 1 upon 12 m cube minus m again plus 1 upon 12 m cube minus m. Our formula will stop here. Why? Because there were only twice we saw the ranks are repeated. If you saw the third rank also which was repeating, so you can extend the formula, the same formula, whole divided by n cube minus n. So let's fill the values. 1 minus 6 sigma D square is 81.5 plus 1 upon 12. What is m? M means how many times the rank was repeated. If you remember, the first rank was repeated twice. This is how we have taken. So it was coming at the third point also and fourth point also. It means rank was repeated twice. So M is how many times the rank is repeated. So 2 cube minus 2 plus 1 upon 12. If you remember the second rank, that was 40. It was repeating 3 times. So here M is 3 cube minus 3. So here our bracket will close, whole divided by n. N means number of observations. In this question we saw n was 8. So 8 cube minus 8. So we will solve this portion. 1 minus 6, 81.5. Solving this 2 cube means 8. 8 minus 2, 6. 6 divided by 12, it will be 0.5. Plus 3 times. 27 minus 3 divided by 12, it will be 2. So 8 cube minus 8 will be 504. So when you will solve this, it will be coming out to be 0. So there is no correlation between the series. So this is how you can solve the questions of repeated ranks and not repeated ranks for Spearman's rank correlation formula.